Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to fix Instagram's voice message problem, so if you're having voice notes problem and anything related voice message does not work on your Instagram, we are going to fix that issue. And this video demonstrates exactly that. So let's just get started with the solutions. The Let's start with the basic troubleshooting. For that, first of all, you can restart the application. So if you have opened up Instagram on your screen, you may just go over and close the application completely from your recent applications. And then before reopening it, you can try restarting the device as well. Tap on restart once you hold up your power button and you can open up the application once again and see if that fixes your issue. Apart from that, ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection so you can access the quick settings for that directly. And you can look out for your connection, like your Wi-Fi you're connected to or your mobile data, and ensure that both of them have a stable connection, either one that you're using, and that should fix your issue for yourself. Apart from that, what you can do is you can go over and update the application itself. So go over and tap on Play Store. And once you go over there, you can go over to the search in the bottom below and tap on it. And at the top, you can just go over and search for Insta. Once you find Instagram, you can look out for the install option. And if there is an update available, you can just go over and tap on update. And you can install the latest version of Instagram on your device. Once you do so, the next thing you can do is you can go over and make sure Instagram has all the necessary permissions, especially for the microphone. So go over and hold up Instagram and go to the app info at the top. Once you go over there, you can go over and scroll and find the option for permissions. Once you find it up, you can scroll down and find this option called microphone and ensure that this permission has been allowed on Instagram. It is very necessary if you're trying to send voice notes on Instagram. And also install and reinstall the application itself. If you want to install it, hold it up and you can find an install option on your screen. Go ahead and confirm it up and then you can reinstall it from the Google Play Store. And that is it. If the issue still persists, you can go over and report the bug to the Instagram itself, and that should help you out. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.